Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. I'm Brienna Rose and today I am filming my morning routine. Now this morning routine is your morning routine to help you get in flow and just get aligned with your higher self. I try to wake up between like 6 to 6:30, but because daylight savings just changed over, I'm kind of been waking up around 7, but I'm working on it. So the first thing I do when I wake up is say my gratitude. I do my gratitude for the present, and then I do a future gratitude for things that I want to come into my life, and I say that I'm grateful for them now. So I have my vision board next to my bed, so I wake up and see it first, and then I can look at it while I'm writing these future gratitudes. Now, the first thing I do when I get out of bed is I like to make my bed, because it just makes me feel so much clearer and put together, and it's just having a clean room takes like a massive weight off my shoulder, and everything seems better when my bed is made. So it's a great way to start my day, and that way I won't get back into it and fall back asleep. I also put my vision board back up on top of my desk so it's more accessible. There's a cute little kitty. Now before I drink anything, I like to scrape my tongue and do some oil pulling with some sesame oil. I have this spiritual routine where I start off my morning doing some yoga just to align my mind and body, really stretch myself out. Like this morning I needed it, I was so stiff, though I have to admit it is a bit hard to do yoga when I have my cat very intrigued by everything I'm doing. Slightly distracting. I will link those 3 yoga routines on YouTube that I like to go between at the moment. If you know any other good morning ones, please put them in the comments below and I'll check them out. But I love starting my day off with yoga. It like gets my body moving, the blood flowing, and just makes me get in touch with my breath and be present a bit more. Just ending with a little savasana. So the next part of my spiritual morning routine is I say affirmations or a prayer or something, usually something I found or come up with. I'm not a religious person, but so it's just something to the universe to help me like set my intentions for the day, or affirmations to help me get into flow and get into a better mood. I'll put my morning affirmations down for you. They're quite general, and then you can just add more personal ones to it. I like to do a meditation. This one is from Yoga with Adrian. It's a 7-minute morning meditation. And it's also very hard to meditate with a cat because she kept trying to jump into the neighbour's yard who have a huge dog. But anyway, I start my day with a meditation. I usually do anywhere between like 5 and 20 minutes depending on what I can like really get into and how much time I have. I like to follow it with a guided visualization. I like Mickey Ash's ones. Today I am doing the financial abundance one, but I also do her just morning visualization as well. I like to do it outside, so I'm getting like a bit of vitamin D and also just like connecting with the earth. And if I'm going to be inside all day doing other things, like it's good to just get outside first thing in the morning. Then I like to have some warm water in the morning. I have it with some lemon and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, just to get that magnesium. And then I also have a little bit of some form of apple cider vinegar. This one, it has matcha and curcumin in it. It's really good. This one's really good for your brain function and everything, but just apple cider vinegar is nice to have in the morning. It's good for your digestive system and health. And then while I'm drinking that, recently I've started doing Manifestations Babe, Unleash Your Inner Money Babe. There's like day by day tasks to help you change your money mindset. So it's to manifest $1,000 in 21 days, but it's just to get you into the state of mind that you can manifest more money and to get you out of a state of mind where money is bad or you get anxious about money and stuff like that. So I read through that and then I do the activity for the day, and I like having something that is just like a day by day situation. I also like to read, either read or watch something inspiring in the mornings, like a Law of Attraction YouTube video, or like a book or personal development book, anything that's really gonna like raise my vibe. And I just like infiltrating my mind with positive thoughts and beliefs that anything can happen. I journal out my dream life as if I'm living it currently. It really helps get me into flow. And it's kind of like acting as if. I have a ebook out that has prompts for this, as well as prompts for self-love and confidence and all those sorts of things, so I'll link that below. In my mirror I have like my body inspo and then also affirmations to say of what my dream body would look like. So I say those every morning while looking at myself, and I also like to tell myself I love myself and how beautiful I am. And then next I like to go for a walk and do a little mini workout. I like to exercise in the mornings because it if I don't do it, then I'm not going to do it later that day. I know myself, and it's just nice to get it over and done with, and it makes me feel really good for the rest of my day. When I work out, I like to listen to an inspirational podcast. This one I am listening to Take Back Your Power podcast, or Taking Back Your Power podcast. I really like it. When I finish my workout, I like to, shower, get ready, do all that stuff. And then I have my breakfast. I've been getting into smoothies lately. So I usually have that kind of later because I'm trying out intermittent fasting right now. And then while I'm drinking my smoothie, I like to write out my to-do list for the day and see what else I have going on so I can really plan my day out. And yeah, so that is my morning routine right now. I love it. It gets me into flow, and I hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my loves.